In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add 91 to a number in Google Sheets using a formula. If you're working with a list of phone numbers and you need to add the country code plus 91 to each one, the cleanest way is to use a simple formula in a new column. This approach keeps your original data intact while creating a correctly formatted version that includes the prefix. It's quick, repeatable, and easy to audit. Start by opening your Google Sheet and looking at where your existing numbers live. In this example, we'll assume your numbers are in column A, starting at A1. Move one column to the right so you're in column B. Click into cell B1 to prepare a result column that will display each number with the +91 prefix added. Now type the formula exactly like this. Is concatenate +91 A1 and press enter. What this does is combine or join the text +91 with whatever value is in cell A1. The result you'll see in B1 should be your original number with +91 at the front, all as one continuous value. Because we're using quotes around +91, Google Sheets treats it as text and preserves the plus sign. This is perfect for phone numbers, which are best handled as text, so no characters are lost. With your first result in place, apply the same formula to the rest of the list. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell B1 until you see the small square called the fill handle. Click and drag that handle straight down to cover all the rows that contain numbers in column A. As you drag, Google Sheets automatically adjusts the formula for each row, so B2 will pull from A2, B3 from A3, and so on. Give the column a quick scan to confirm everything looks right. You should see each original number now prefixed with +91, with no changes made to your source data in column A. If any cells in column A were blank, the corresponding cells in column B will simply show +91, which can serve as a helpful reminder to fill in any missing numbers. A couple of quick tips as you review. Because the result includes a plus sign, treat these as text values, ideal for display, sharing, or exporting. If some of your original numbers already contained a country code, you may see duplicates, so it's worth checking for consistency before you proceed. And that's it. With one formula and a quick drag, you've added +91 to your entire list in a clean, repeatable way.